Hey everyone, welcome back to the Science Summit. Today we have some exciting news to share. Scientists have finally detected neutrinos in a particle collider. Neutrinos are subatomic particles that are so removed from the rest of matter that they're often called ghost particles. They're abundant yet enigmatic, and their properties have puzzled scientists for a long time. The researchers created neutrinos using the FASERnu detector at the Large Hadron Collider. This represents the first direct observation of collider neutrinos and will help us understand how these particles form, their properties, and their role in the evolution of the universe. Particle physicist Jonathan Fong of the University of California, Irvine explains that the neutrinos were discovered from a brand new source, particle colliders. In particle colliders, two beams of particles smash together at extremely high energy, producing neutrinos. Neutrinos are among the most abundant subatomic particles in the universe, second only to photons. However, they have no electric charge, their mass is almost zero, and they barely interact with other particles. Hundreds of billions of neutrinos are streaming through your body right now. Neutrinos are produced in energetic circumstances, such as nuclear fusion inside stars or supernova explosions. Although their interaction with matter is small, physicists believe that their mass, however slight, probably affects the universe's gravity. However, neutrinos have pretty much been ruled out as dark matter. Neutrinos produced in particle colliders have long been sought by physicists because the high energies involved are not as well studied as low-energy neutrinos. FASERnu is an emulsion detector consisting of millimeter-thick tungsten plates alternated with layers of emulsion film. Tungsten was chosen because of its high density, which increases the likelihood of neutrino interaction. During particle experiments at the LHC, neutrinos can collide with nuclei in the tungsten plates, producing particles that leave tracks in the emulsion layers. 6 neutrino candidates were identified and published back in 2021. And now the researchers have confirmed their discovery using data from the third run of the upgraded LHC that began last year. The FASER team is still analyzing data collected by the detector, and it seems likely that many more neutrino detections will ensue. Run 3 of the LHC is expected to continue until 2026, and data collection and analysis are ongoing. Physicist David Casper of UC Irvine projected that the run would produce around 10,000 neutrino interactions, which means we've barely scratched the surface of what FASERnu has to offer. Neutrinos are the only known particles that the much larger experiments at the Large Hadron Collider are unable to directly detect. FASER's successful observation means the collider's full physics potential is finally being exploited. That's it for today's update. Stay tuned for more exciting science news, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Science Summit for more updates on the latest scientific discoveries. Thank you for watching.